Professional in Platform ProZone store.
First, we select the card from the VIP section of the ProZone store. Then purchase a proxy according to the zip code of the card holder and configure it in the LinkedIn browser of Sphere. Now it's time to check the IP location and blacklist status. Go to hooer.net if the location is correct. Copy the IP and check it on spamhouse.org. If it's on the blacklist, remove it easily like I did. Enter a first name, last name, and an email address.
ProZone store.
An email will be sent to you. Confirm it to get removed from the blacklist. After checking the blacklist, we create a Gmail account using the cardholder's first and last name. Verify it. Now go to the Amazon website and purchase an item. As long as the item is a physical delivery, no identity verification is required. We select a $200 gift card. Enter the card information. And complete the purchase. The postal worker leaves it at the front door and takes a photo to prove delivery. Wait a little, then pick up the item and leave the location. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Kabgani. Good day. I am Clara from the Amazon website. I wanted to know if you have placed an order.
Hello, Clara. Yes, I have purchased a $200 gift card.
Could you please read the order number to me?
Of course, the order number is 1125510746736736668.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your purchase. Your order has been confirmed and has been sent to the shipping department. Have a great day.
carders and hackers. Professional in Platform Prozone Store.